Hello friends, welcome to my another important video on PHP version issues in cPanel. Today I will show you how to fix this PHP version issue. Let's start. First of all, go to your cPanel dashboard. And now, find the Select PHP Version options. In this options page, now you can try to changing the PHP version of your website. I've tried to downgrade from my existing version. Now, click on the Extensions tab, and select Additional Settings. After that, you can check your site again. Wow, that's awesome! The site is live. Be sure to note down the settings for future troubleshooting. I think you understand how to solve this issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to TechPoth for more WordPress tutorials. And if you have any questions or need help, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help.